has been the NBFC space. And Latha's with us. Latha, tell us, a couple of trading sessions ago, we had some relief that came in for them. Tell us your brief analysis.
Okay, actually today Ujjivan and Equitas are in the green. We'll pull up even Bharat Financial for you. They are in the green, one, because the day before yesterday night, the Reserve Bank announced that loans under 1 crore need not be classified as NPAs even if the repayment came after 2 months. Understanding that a lot of these borrowers repay in cash, the Reserve Bank's position was that the classification can continue to be standard and it need not go to NPA just because it has been delayed. Otherwise, money has to be returned in 90 days. So banks, MFIs, NBFCs, all of them got the relief. And Ujjivan, Equitas, Satin Credit, Magma Fincorp, Bharat Financial, these would be your largely the companies with small borrowers of less than 1 crore who ought to benefit. Now, what we understand from the MFI guys whom we spoke with yesterday is that a lot of the local media and politicians are interpreting this as a 2-month holiday that we need not repay. That's not the intent. Yes. The intent is not that if I have the money, I don't have to pay for 2 months. The intent is even if you didn't pay for the next 2 months, it won't be classified as NPA. Now, for the MFIs, it's only when money comes, they can give fresh loans. Yes. The entire business comes to a standstill if a whole lot of borrowers don't pay for 2 months. There's no business, they just go under. And that pain you could sense in Mr. Samit Ghosh, the CEO and Managing Director of Ujjivan, when he spoke with us yesterday. Just listen in, he's worried about the misinterpretation of the RBI circular.
The circular which RBI has issued is a positive circular in terms of helping out banks and financial institutions in terms of provisioning. However, it extends the period in which you recognize substandard assets from 90 days to 150 days. But it is not, I think, the intention of RBI, which has been widely circulated, saying that the RBI is giving a repayment holiday for 60 days. And I think that is a misinterpretation of the RBI circular.
Yep, I guess all these have been all these companies have been writing to the Reserve Bank. I wouldn't be surprised if the Reserve Bank came back with a circular clarifying exactly this. This is a permission to the companies that you need not reclassify them as NPAs. This is not a repayment holiday. They may come with a clarification. Nigel?
All right.